Now that the navigation system is not interrupting us, we're going to Big Sky, to Beehive Basin to go hiking. I already ate my McDonald's breakfast, KJ's eating hers, and John and Nene are in the other car, and we don't see their truck, so they must be a bit ahead of us. We're following super slow people. Sticking his head out the window back there. We're almost there. It's raining out, if you guys haven't noticed. Is this where we're supposed to be? Where's John? We should see a truck around here. He claimed to have went to the upper Beehive Basin, but I don't see his truck. Oh, there he is. I was like, shoot.
Hi there.
We found you.
We're doing Beehive Basin. This is the crew.
All right. We're wow. This outhouse stinks. We're gonna go do Beehive Basin. Here's my boy. I already like it. Cool trail. The wildflowers are kind of dead. Is that nice? You keep going? Okay. We're in the last half mile, which is about 100 feet up every 0.1 miles, so it's steep. How you feeling? KJ, you're lying with your face.
I'm still fine. Trust me.
Hudson, yeah.
Where do we have to go up for?
Here's the lake, Hudson, or whatever this is, the basin. Come here. You can go in, just let's go in up a little further. Is that nice? Oh, you're a handsome boy. This is officially the lake, but up on those rocks right up there is a viewpoint, so we're gonna hike up there.
Yeah, way tippy top.
None. That's more than 400 feet. Oh yeah, we're gonna be at the tippy top. Just hold on. Another private pool. Bubba. Hi, buddy. I'm taking a break.
All right. Here's the top view. What are your thoughts on it?
I think it's awesome. This is one of the coolest hikes we've done. I think I might go in the lake when we get down there.
I'm not.
I will.
Yeah?
Yep.
All the way in?
Let's see.
Enjoying the way down? I gotta capture some of it. You want to remember this in 20 years, don't you? I do. Where are you going, Huts?
You like the flowers up here?
Yeah.
You're already in, huh, buddy? I'm gonna come in too. Uh-huh. Me too. Oh, yeah. We're on our way down now. Was the lake good? Yeah. Hudson liked it.
All right, we're officially on our way down after hours of photos. Hudson is enjoying his life to the fullest. He chased after another dog that had a stick in the water.
The other dog then also chased him.
He made friends. Wow, my hair's nuts.
Hudson. How's it going?
Good. How old?
He's 2. What about yours?
10.
10. Hey, you're still hiking, huh, buddy? Yeah.
10. Yeah, as long as I let her.
We made it back to this overlook. That means we've got under 1.5 miles to go. The cars were there, pretty much. We made it back to the car. Apparently the toilet in there, disgusting. To end today's adventures, what are we doing, KJ?
Oh, we are going to hang out by the lake and see some sunset.
Watch the sunset.
Yes.
No.
Really hungry.
We're having a slight problem. What's the problem, KJ?
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes. The beautiful sound of bug spray. Sunset, beautiful, gorgeous. Mosquitoes, horrible.
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 Agree.
We're out. We got pictures and we saw the sunset and we got eaten alive all at the same time. Time to go.